Hello there, welcome to your Wednesday evening weather update from the Met Office. We have a lot of rain around this evening and rain warnings in force across southern parts of Wales as well as the West Country, with a combination of wind and rain causing problems on the roads. This is a slow moving band of rain pushing ever northwards, but cold air slowly sinking south across Scotland, bringing with it a rash of showers and even some winteriness over the higher ground. But that's not the end of the story. Into Friday morning, more rain will approach from the south, turning heavy across England and Wales. And there's a broad rain warning across much of England as well as Wales for some heavy and prolonged spells of rain. Now, this could cause problems, particularly with the risk of flooding. We've seen so much wet weather already this month, and add on the strong easterly wind causing problems if you are travelling. In fact, even if you don't see the rain, you'll see that strong wind further north, and it will feel cold and gusty over the hills as well as the mountains. So that rain warning continues through Friday, and that wind will be relentless, coming in from a chilly direction. However, things tend to quieten down through Saturday and into Sunday. For the time being, you can see where the heaviest of the rain is, towards the West Country, Wales. Northern England also seeing that wet weather intensify as it pushes up towards Northern Ireland. Thickening cloud ahead of it, but it's a different story across central and northern areas of Scotland, with a cold northerly wind, a strong wind at that, and also some showers moving in. These showers could turn wintry overnight over the highest ground. So as we head through the evening, let's pick up on this slow-moving band of rain. It continues its passage northwards, dry skies across the southeast of England and that relentless wind across the far north of Scotland. The rain stalls across northern England as well as southern and central parts of Scotland. Northern Ireland sees that rain coming and going, but notice where it will really intensify. So mid-Wales up towards northern England, where the rain will be prolonged and persistent. Now, through the early hours of the morning, a little bit of showery rain could be just affect more central and eastern areas of England as it again pushes ever northeastwards towards Lincolnshire and East Anglia. Temperatures will dip down to 3 or 4 degrees Celsius across the north of Scotland. Still mild though across England and Wales. So through Thursday morning, first of all, let's pick up on that slow moving band of rain covering much of northern England. That's Cumbria, Northumberland, central and southern parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. Patchy rain across the far southeast of England. That's a trailing front there which will tend to fade away as those showers move in across the north of Scotland. Some brighter skies then emerge across central and southern parts of England and Wales as the rain loses its intensity through the afternoon across this zone here. But notice the winds picking up and coming in from a northeasterly direction as we head through to Thursday evening as more rain approaches the far south. We hang on to the mild air across much of England and Wales, 15 to 17 degrees Celsius, 12 across Northern Ireland, 10 for the southern part of Scotland as well as the far north of England. Now, through Thursday evening, this rain slowly intensifies as it pushes across England and Wales. At the same time, expect a frost across central and northern areas of Scotland into the early hours of Friday morning, again with a rash of showers, particularly on northern and northeastern facing coasts. So if you are travelling first thing on Friday, here's that rain covering much of Wales, central and southern parts of England. And again, some intense bursts here. So the risk of flooding, particularly as we head through the day, that rain is slow moving as it marches its way northwards, and the rain will be heavy at times. We hang on to some brighter weather across central and northern areas of Scotland. Again, those showers will continue as that rain churns around England and Wales and pushes up towards the far north of England as we head through into the afternoon. The wind again will be a feature of the weather, so it's moving in from a chilly direction. The combination of wind and rain causing problems if you are travelling through Friday afternoon across England and Wales. We hang on to some dry weather across much of Northern Ireland, but a gusty wind here, particularly towards the east, and that wind again will be blustery, particularly over the hills and the mountains of the north. And certainly the combination of the wind and rain making it very unpleasant if you are stepping outside through Friday evening. So that's the picture on Friday. Through Saturday, this cold air here will tend to sink southwards as this band of cloud and rain declines and pretty much clears off the scene. Winds then slowly ease into Sunday as a ridge of high pressure extends from the northwest. So a quieter day on Sunday after a frosty start. So a lot to contend with through the next few days. We go from mild to cold in the south, but watch out for that rain. More details, 10-day trend this week is with Alex Burkhill, and I'll see you again soon.